Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M stands out as one of the best RC planes for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. With its 59-inch wingspan and advanced safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, this trainer makes learning to fly easier and more enjoyable than ever. Designed on the proven Apprentice S15E platform, it adds modern smart electronics, providing real-time telemetry to compatible spectrum transmitters, like having a flight instructor built into your plane. Beginners benefit from progressive safe modes, which start as crash-resistant training wheels and gradually allow full aerobatic flight. Loops, rolls, and even brief inverted maneuvers become achievable as confidence grows. Club instructors and experienced pilots appreciate the plane's forgiving design and panic recovery, making it ideal for teaching new flyers. Many flying clubs adopt it as their official trainer because it shortens learning time dramatically. Flying the Apprentice STS feels intuitive and reassuring. Beginner mode auto-levels the plane when sticks are released, and panic instantly recovers from disorientation. Its durable EPO foam construction with reinforced high-stress areas ensures longevity, while wide-stance tricycle landing gear simplifies takeoffs and landings. Optional Safe Plus GPS adds autopilot-like features such as autoland and virtual fence. Technical highlights include a 1390G flying weight, brushless outrunner motor with smart 38 ESC, and 10 to 15 minutes flight time on a 3S LiPo battery. Pre-installed electronics, easy assembly under an hour, and professional telemetry make this plane a standout choice. For $330 to $400 RTF, the Apprentice STS 1.5M combines safety, performance, and growth potential, making it the ultimate RC experience. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves that quality RC flying doesn't have to break the bank. With a 1,400mm, 55-inch wingspan, this trainer offers the stability of larger models while packing a punch with its 4023/1050 kV brushless motor in 48 ESC. What really sets it apart is the unibody ABS plastic fuselage, durable, crack-resistant, and able to survive crashes that would damage most foam trainers. Ideal for beginners on a budget, the Ascent lets you learn without fear of expensive damage. Its forgiving flight characteristics and robust construction make it perfect for first-time pilots, as well as clubs running youth programs where toughness matters more than fancy electronics. While it lacks stabilization systems like SAFE, its low wing loading and large wing area make landings easy and predictable. Flying the Ascent is confidence-inspiring. The Quick Connect wing system gets you in the air in minutes, and the powerful motor provides smooth climbs and the ability to try basic aerobatics as skills grow. Its hybrid design combines a bomb-proof plastic fuselage with EPO foam wings for lightweight yet durable performance. Pre-installed servos with neatly routed linkages simplify setup and maintenance. Technical highlights include a flying weight of 820G, a plug-and-play setup, and compatibility with 3S LiPo batteries, sold separately. For around $180 PNP or $220 to $240 RTF, this trainer offers exceptional value, surviving crashes and teaching pilots the fundamentals with ease. The TrainStar Ascent is the ultimate best value RC plane, durable, stable, and ready to grow with you. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't be fooled by the budget-friendly label. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive performance in a compact, scale-accurate airframe. With a 1.3M, 51-inch wingspan, this STL, short takeoff and landing, trainer combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and genuine bushplane capabilities. It's a versatile trainer that grows with you, from your first flight to advanced float or rough field adventures. Perfect for beginners seeking realism and long-term value, the Carbon Cub S2 excels for pilots who want bush flying fun without buying multiple aircraft. Safe modes provide beginner, intermediate, and expert assistance, giving confidence during early flights while allowing gradual skill development. Its oversized Tundra tires handle rough terrain and grass strips with ease, making takeoffs and landings from unconventional surfaces stress-free. Flying the Carbon Cub S2 feels authentic and engaging. Functional slotted flaps, tricycle steering, and a float-ready design expand its versatility, while the Z-foam EPO construction ensures durability. Scale touches, like the pilot figure, enhance the realistic experience, making this plane one you'll be proud to display as well as fly. Technical highlights include a 489/60 kV brushless motor, telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC, and compatibility with 3S 1300 to 2200 mAh LiPo batteries. With a flying weight of 913 g, assembly is straightforward, and pre-installed electronics simplify setup. At around $300 RTF, add $40 to $60 for battery/charger, the Carbon Cub S2 offers exceptional value, combining beginner-friendly stability, scale appearance, and versatile performance. This is a trainer that doesn't just teach you to fly, it inspires you to explore. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't enjoy flying warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro proves otherwise. With a 400mm, 15.7-inch wingspan and advanced 6-axis pilot stabilization, this tiny warbird tames a traditionally challenging aircraft type, making it accessible to rookies and young pilots alike. Modern technology ensures smooth, controlled flight while preserving the classic Corsair look. Perfect for first-time flyers seeking something more exciting than a standard high-wing trainer, the Corsair Micro is ideal for kids and adults drawn to military aircraft. Its forgiving flight characteristics provide a low-stress introduction to aerobatics without the steep learning curve. One key aerobatic functions let beginners pull off loops, rolls, and stunts with ease, while the propeller's saver design protects against minor bumps and mishaps. Flying the Corsair Micro is fun and confidence-building. The Spilot system prevents tip stalls and snap rolls, keeping the plane stable even in tricky maneuvers. Its EPP foam construction absorbs impacts, and the detailed navy paint scheme adds realism. The RTF package comes complete with pre-installed electronics and a 1S 500 mAh LiPo battery, offering 12 to 15 minutes of flight with a 200+ foot range. At just 60 g, crashes are more funny than damaging, making it perfect for backyard or park flights. Priced around $110 to $120 RTF, this Micro Corsair offers unmatched beginner-friendly performance, durability, and style. It's the ultimate first warbird, letting pilots of all ages enjoy aerobatics and scale looks without frustration. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The Cripes a Mighty Third P51D Mustang brings warbird perfection to the sport-scale RC world. With a 1,219mm, 48-inch wingspan, functional flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and the iconic 4-blade propeller, this Mustang delivers a full-featured warbird experience. AS3X stabilization, along with optional Safe Select, smooths handling without compromising the authentic Mustang feel, making a traditionally challenging plane approachable for experienced pilots. Ideal for intermediate to advanced flyers, this Mustang suits those ready for a full-house warbird, as well as history enthusiasts seeking scale-accurate details and performance. Pilots who have mastered basic RC flying will appreciate its responsive handling and aerobatic capabilities. Flying the P51D is a thrill. On 3S LiPo, it offers smooth, gentlemanly handling perfect for scale flights. Upgrade to 4S and it transforms into a vertical performance powerhouse. Functional split flaps with independent servos allow precise landings, while retractable landing gear with scale covers enhances realism. The Smart 70A ESC provides telemetry for performance monitoring, and AS3X keeps flight stable in breezy conditions. Crafted with E-flite's signature attention to detail, the EPO airframe is reinforced where needed, featuring metal-geared servos, museum-quality paint, and scale exhaust stacks. Weighing 1530 g without battery, it balances durability with authentic scale flight. Although discontinued and limited in availability, pilots who acquire the P51D Mustang enjoy a masterpiece that combines stunning scale fidelity, smooth handling, and thrilling performance. Whether cruising for photos or pushing throttle to the max, this Mustang remains one of the finest sport-scale warbirds ever built.